The awkward moment when you look in your freezer and there's no ice cream left. There's only one real way to make ice cream. To make good ice cream. And I'm not just talking about the stuff you get from the gelateria, but the real good stuff. And that's to make it yourself. So, that's what we're going to do today. But, per request, we're going to make cookie dough. That's why I've got this huge bag of chocolate chips right here. But it's 10:06 p.m. right now, and our neighbors would probably, or their baby, would probably wake up and scream. So we're not going to do it right now. We're going to do it in the morning. Not before 7 a.m. though. But we can do all the preparation right now. We're going to make the cookie dough, and I'm going to look at everything and make sure that everything's ready to go. So let's do that.